If you're running into Steam Error 15, Error 5, Error 126, or even related login and connection issues, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll cover the most reliable solutions first, starting with running Steam as an administrator, then changing your download region, then verifying your game files, and finally checking whether the issue is actually on Steam's side. This can save you a lot of time because not every Steam problem is caused by your PC. Sometimes it's permissions, sometimes it's a server issue, and sometimes it's just a bad local file causing the error. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Don't just minimize it. Right-click Steam in the system tray and exit it, then open Task Manager and make sure Steam.exe is no longer running in the background. This matters because if Steam is still active, Windows may not apply the changes properly. Once Steam is fully closed, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions, which is especially useful if Error 5 is being caused by access denied issues, or if Error 126 is happening because Windows is blocking access to a required module. After Steam opens, try the same action that caused the error and see if it works. If it does, great. The issue was permissions. If not, go to the next fix. The next thing to try is changing your download region. This is one of the best fixes if you're seeing connection-related issues like Error 15 or E502, L3, because your local Steam server may be overloaded or temporarily unstable. Inside Steam, click Steam at the top left, then choose Settings, then Downloads. Look for Download Region and switch it to a different city. A good tip is to pick a region that's likely in off-peak hours, because that usually means less traffic and a better chance of connecting cleanly. After changing the region, Steam will usually ask you to restart. Let it restart, then test Steam again. If the error was caused by a busy server, this often clears it immediately. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes for game launch problems, verifying the integrity of your game files. If an error appears when you click play, or if a game won't launch properly, corrupted or missing files may be the reason. To check this, go to your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you trouble and select Properties. Then open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your local install and compare it with the official files on Valve's servers. If anything is missing or damaged, Steam will automatically replace it. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let it finish completely. Once it's done, launch the game again and check whether the issue is fixed. If you're still having trouble, there's one more important thing to keep in mind. Sometimes the problem is not on your computer at all. Steam can have temporary server-side issues, especially during busy periods or maintenance. If you're getting repeated login failures, don't keep spamming the login button over and over. That can trigger rate limits and make the problem last even longer. Instead, pause for a bit and give Steam time to recover. A good rule of thumb is the 30-minute rule. If login keeps failing, stop trying for a while and wait it out. You should also check Steam's status online at steamstat.us. If you see high load, connection managers, or other services marked in red, then the issue is likely on Steam's side, and no amount of local troubleshooting will fix it until their servers recover. So to recap, the best steps for Steam Error 15 and related issues are: run Steam as administrator, change your download region, verify your game files, and files, and check for Steam-wide outages before troubleshooting your PC further. These fixes solve a huge number of Steam errors and can get you back into your games much faster. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.